Tata Motors, a big car company from India. Tata Motors, located in Mumbai, is a super important part of India's car industry. Starting back in 1945, it has become a worldwide company with all sorts of vehicles. Tata Motors is a public company, meaning anyone can buy its stock, and it's worth a lot of money. It's important for people who invest in stocks and car fans to know how the company is doing. Tata Motors is a big employer in India. It has over 90,000 employees. Last year it made a whopping Rs 443, 877 crore, which is about 53 billion US dollars. Tata Motors is a big deal in the car world. Tata Motors has been doing well money-wise lately. They're making more money, even if it's not a huge jump. Their profits are still good. Important financial numbers, like how much money they make compared to how much they invest, are looking decent. But what's happening with their stock is a bit mixed. The stock price went up a lot in the last year, but it's been going down the past few months. On December 20th, 2024, the stock closed at Rs 724, which is lower than the day before. Even though the stock is down, another important number, the price-to-earnings ratio, is still pretty good. This means investors think Tata Motors will make good money in the future. Tata Motors has some good things going for it. They spend a lot on research and making new things, which shows they like to innovate. Lots of people know the Tata brand, especially in India. They also have a good system for selling their cars all over the place, but there are some things Tata Motors needs to work on. It's been hard for them to sell more cars in countries outside of the ones they usually sell in. The cost of running the business is high, which makes it harder to make a lot of profit. Also, selling fancy, expensive cars has been tough because there are a lot of other companies selling similar cars. Even with these challenges, Tata Motors has good chances in the future. Lots of people in developing countries are buying cars, and Tata Motors is in a good spot to sell to them. They're also using new technology to make things better and easier for their customers. Electric cars are becoming really popular, and Tata Motors is already making some and investing more in that area. Most experts think Tata Motors will do well. They think you should buy the stock, and they predict the price will go up a lot. But it's always good to be careful. The car business goes up and down, and the economy isn't always stable. There are a lot of other car companies, and sometimes it's hard to get the parts they need to make cars. Tata Motors needs to be smart and make good decisions to succeed. They need to keep coming up with new ideas, and that will be really important for them in the next few years.